Hey guys, what's up? So, sorry, I'm not gonna really have a lot of footage this past weekend. I was away in Vermont for my buddy's bachelor party. I mean, he's been my best friend since I was like 10 years old. So, we went out there, a whole group of us went up there, killed it, had a blast. So, I hope he enjoyed it. Cut to the footage here. Ah!
It's Saturday, boys!
It's Saturday, is it?
Saturday! One down, Yo, bring it outside of the fire with the hatchet. We got a shotgun net. Whoa, don't hey, whoa! That's the Stanley Cup, baby! Kiss it! The cake still weighs more than you know. Cup kiss! Stanley Cup.
But yeah, so now basically Art hit me up, so we're gonna go to Artie's house, help him out, try to get his car ready for next weekend at Club Loose. Okay.
Stagger them.
Yeah.
And do a 1-inch plate from the back of here and rivet it on.
Yep.
And then have the bracket come forward. And then I'll just mount it on the side of here. So this will sit in front.
Yeah.
Because right now it's way too high. It looks ridiculous. And then the Ricer in me came out.
Oh shit.
So those are going to be my headlights.
Yeah. Well, you already got little ones, right?
Yeah, those are just like marker lights.
Oh, okay.
Just like running lights.
Yeah.
But I'm going to do these in here so I at least have headlights and their Bluetooth.
Oh, word. Yeah.
So I'll be able to connect to the Lightbar and this and have a light show in the front of the car.
Alright, so we're out here. We're about to do some work on Art's car. First, we're going to grab some food, though. Art has like a pretty dope little spot, so we're going to do that. And then get some food, and then yeah, so practically what we're gonna do right now. Yeah, that angle though. When drift is life, burnouts in the driveway. Reverse burnouts.
And my key broke.
Oh no.
So all I have is a nub.
Yeah.
So I have to.
You have to like tape it or something.
I have to jam the screwdriver in there.
Yeah.
There we go. Yo.
Oh.
That's my actual key.
That's his key.
I gotta freaking JB weld that bitch back together.
Alright, yep, so food and then whatever. No glasses. F the glasses.
Well, I got
Safety
my
first.
freaking my Yeller glasses, and Make everything super bright.
Shooting
Oh
glasses.
my god, it's so bright. At least looks semi-legit. Make sure it's the right length. Close enough. Now I just need to actually measure where the hole is going to be. So about 2.5. Very technical way of doing this. So about 2.5-ish. So the bend should be right about 3 5/8. Right about there. Alright, so I'll just drill a bunch of holes. There's one.
It's gonna definitely be able to hold a lot.
I just drill through one and actually rivet it on, and then I'll have to like hold it. Yeah, he was autocrossing yesterday. Yeah, so he's unlimited.
So we got it in. The fab job is somewhat done. The issue is that it's got some tilt to it because the pieces that he actually had before that came with it, these kind of grip up. If it focuses, there we go. So these grip up with this part, but since those are deleted more or less, we got to find something so it doesn't make it tilt. So I think he's just gonna send some zip ties on it back here, basically through here, around this, and then around the whole bracket, but we'll see what's up. But it still looks 5 times better. Doesn't look like a, I couldn't even, you can't even tell like what it looked like. It was just,
It was so fucking tall.
yeah, it was so tall. It was like freaking like this tall.
I got these little lock washers, so.
Oh yeah, so
I'll throw those
that's
in
what
there
he's
to
thinking
see.
is that if you throw some lock washers, he might actually be able to, they might catch on that plastic, those plastic teeth. But yeah, so while he's doing that, I'm gonna start wrapping up. I gotta start getting home because, you know, daily activities. But we'll see how this turns out.
Oh yeah, that's fucking Tight.
So all he did was put that lock washer. Let me see here. So right there, he put that lock washer in between so it catches on these little plastic teeth, and it freaking worked. So now it's not as tall. Now it doesn't have that swivel problem. So now he's basically just got to find a way to run his lines.
Because they give you this.
Because there's this, and then it connects to this harness. And he's got a holy shit.
Because this is the relay that turns it on and on.
So that's
the relay. Is the Bluetooth.
So this is the relay that goes to the fucking engine bay.
To the battery.
Yeah.
But it's not necessarily long enough to actually run through the car into the engine bay, because they put the connectors on this side and my battery is on the other side of the car. So I'm thinking about just running, because the power is run through a relay and everything. I was thinking about kind of making my own harness type of deal, so I can run the power from the front to the back, and then just run the relay and the controller and everything, and be able to put it, you know, where I want it. Kind of maybe tuck it in the center console or something, so that it's out of the way. And as long as the Bluetooth thing is in there and connected and is in a decent spot, then I'll be able to control it from my phone. So that'll be fun. They don't make these the same one. Like, these are the two connectors. They don't make it in the same length. So one of them's super long
and one is super short.
But they go to the same spot.
Mm-hmm.
So I gotta try and figure out where to run this.
So he also has his dual caliper set up. He's still got to grab a couple bolts, but it's on. He's got it in place and everything. That happened before I got here, so sorry guys, couldn't get you the footage for all you Lexus fans out there.
They didn't want to see that anyway. Bad.
So this is about to be Art's project for the rest of the night. So again, follow him right here. You guys see it. Facebook, Drift Force 1. Instagram, YouTube, Slider Die 13. Obviously, again, we'll be having a lot more footage. I'll be definitely getting some ride-alongs with him at Club Loose North this next weekend. That footage of him, outside footage of me, it's gonna be hectic, I guess. I'm going off their word. He went last year. He said it was wild. So
yeah, I've been the past 3 years.
All right, so past 3 years, and he said it's wild. So you know what I mean. I guess I gotta go and send it out there. So, but yeah, he got his bumper basically.
Kind of on.
Yeah.
It's on enough.
It's on enough to send it. So that's all that really matters. You're gonna have your lights put in.
Yeah.
By the by the weekend.
Essentially, what I'm gonna start working on once I run all these wires, because these wires will be easy, because I'm gonna run it straight to the factory
Plugs.
headlight plug. That's all right here. So it's a high. This car came factory with HIDs, so it has a higher higher wattage rating for the headlight wiring. So I'll be able to run these off of that, no problem.
Word.
Yeah, these are only 39 watt. So it's not too bad. LEDs don't really.
Did that package come with two?
This came with one. That's
so,
why I had to buy two of them.
Okay, yeah,
they're pricey.
All right, guys. So, like I said, give him a freaking like, subscribe, hit him up, and we'll be checking you guys out later.